Hey guys, today I'll be making some delicious chocolate chip cookies. You guys are gonna love these cookies. They're soft, chewy, caramely, and crispy on the outside. But let's get started. You're gonna need 3 sticks of butter or 1.5 cups. We're gonna go ahead and put our butter in a pan on low-medium heat. The brown butter method is a great method. I'm gonna probably do a separate video for this because it's kind of long, but we're gonna get our butter and caramelize it like this. After that, we're gonna put it aside. After that, we're going to take a separate bowl, put 2 cups of dark brown sugar, and then we're gonna put a 1/2 cup of regular sugar, and then we're gonna stir it up together so it all is consistent throughout our batter or our dough. Then we're going to take 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. And we're going to stir it up so it is all consistent throughout our dough. After that, we're going to go ahead and take our brown butter and add it to the sugar bowl. Then we're going to mix it. After we're done mixing, we're going to go ahead and add our 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks, and then we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then we're going to stir it all up together till it looks like this. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our flour. We're going to stir in our flour instead of whisking in our flour because it will give us a more nice looking cookie. After it's all combined, we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes to 2 hours. After that, we're going to go ahead and pan our cookies. After we pan our cookies, we're going to put them in the oven on 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. And here's your finished product, your delicious warm cookies. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please follow or subscribe. Thank you and have a great and fantastic day.